Hi there, I'm Darcy, and welcome once more to Screencasts Online. Today, we're playing with an app called Transloader by developers Eternal Storm Software. In essence, Transloader works as a remote downloading client for your Mac. Let's say, for example, you're away from your computer and discover that there's a new download available for a piece of software you use. Or you discover a new Mac app. Using Transloader from your iPhone or iPad, you can begin the download on your Mac from wherever you are, saving you time in the future. Or saving you from forgetting entirely. Transloader is available from the Mac App Store as a one-time purchase, or from Setapp for anyone who has a subscription. In this video, we'll be using Mac and iPad, but remember, the same iPad functionality is available on iPhone. Now I'll head over to iPad for our first example. The app that I want to download on my Mac is called Crossover. First thing I need to do is find the download link, so I'll go to my account, and here it is. Now instead of clicking it and having it download onto my iPad, I'll two-finger click or click and hold on it to get more options. Then select Copy Link. Head back to Transloader and tap the link icon at the top right corner. I'll allow Transloader to paste from Safari, and a window appears with the link at the top. Now the genius part about Transloader is that it syncs your devices through iCloud, the ones that are using the same Apple ID. All I've had to do is download the app on both of my Macs, and they're both detected here as options. I can select or deselect whichever Mac I want to download on. I can download on more than one Mac, but for now I'll just keep the iMac selected. Select Download at the top right. Our link appears on the screen. The status moves to Link Synced, which means that the link is synced with the target Mac, and then to Downloading, meaning it is actually downloading on the Mac. Heading over to the Mac app, and I can see it has indeed appeared, and it is indeed downloading. Once it's finished, I can head back over to the iPad, and we get notified that it is finished. On the Mac, if I right-click on it, I can actually, from here, choose to have the application downloaded on another Mac. Under Also Download On, I'll select my Mac Studio, and the download will begin there too, so I can share it around. Select Other Macs on the sidebar, and we can track its status, as well as on iPad.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.